Sairam. Chapter Names of Birds. Class UKG. Subject EVS. Part 1. Today I am going to teach you names of birds. Birds that live in water are called water birds. Birds that live in water are called water birds. Example: duck, duck. Swan, swan. These are water birds. Birds are flying. Some birds live on trees and some in tree holes. Some birds make nests to live in. Eagle. Eagle is king of the birds. Eagle is king of the birds. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Sparrow, sparrow. Pigeon, pigeon. Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Parrot, parrot. Kiwi, kiwi. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Dove. Dove is the international symbol of peace. Dove is the international symbol of peace. Bluebird. Bluebird is the international symbol of happiness. Bluebird is the international symbol of happiness. Next, question and answer. Which is the largest bird in the world? Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Which bird is the international symbol of peace? Dove. Dove is the international symbol of peace. Which bird is the international symbol of happiness? Bluebird. Bluebird is the international symbol of happiness. Who is known as the king of the birds? Eagle is king of the birds. Eagle is king of the birds. Okay, children, understood? Thank you.